Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. As per the clear language of the statute, it cannot be disputed that only a juvenile can be sent to a special home fit institution after being found guilty in an inquiry. Stop. The special home or the fit institution are facilities created under the Juvenile Justice Act keeping the juveniles in protective custody so as to ensure their reformation. Stop. Allowing a person who has crossed the age of juvenility to be kept in such an institution would be in direct conflict with the very purposes of the Juvenile Justice Act. Stop. There is an imminent likelihood that if the offender has crossed the age of juvenility and has continued with his criminal activities, then she could adversely influence the minds of the juveniles who are housed in such facility upon being brought in direct contact with such a person. Stop. Such an action would be doing violence with the very purpose of the Juvenile Justice Act. Stop. The Honorable Supreme Court, in the case of Bhoop Ram Chopra, clearly held that a person who has crossed the age of juvenility cannot be sent to the approved school even if his conviction is upheld. Stop. Similar view was expressed by this court in the case of Rashid at the rate Rashid at the rate Rashidia versus State of Rajasthan, reported in 2012 for Criminal LR Rajasthan 1986. Stop. In view of the above settled proposition of law, the petitioners having crossed the age of 18 years cannot be confined in a special home fit institution. Stop. The order passed by the Juvenile Justice Board and the Appellate Court in this regard are in total conflict with the specific provisions of the Juvenile Justice Act and the interpretation thereof as done by the courts in the above referred judgments and thus cannot be sustained. Stop. Accordingly, the revisions deserve to be and are allowed. Stop. While upholding the conviction of the petitioners as recorded by the Juvenile Justice Board and affirmed by the Appellate Court, the directions given by the courts below to send them to special home fit institution for 3 years is hereby quashed and set aside. Stop. The petitioners are presently confined at the special home Jodhpur. Stop. They shall be set at liberty forthwith if not wanted in any other case. Stop. Copy of this order be placed before Honorable the Chief Justice for seeking a direction to circulate the order to all the principal magistrates, juvenile justice boards in the state. Stop para. The legal battle is unique wherein appellant is not pitted against any opponent, much less formidable opponent. Appellant Miss Darshana Gupta has led this appeal under Section 52 of the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2000, for short Act of 2000. Read with Order 43, Rule 1 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 for short CPC, to assail the impugned order dated 18th December 2014 passed by Learned District Judge Udaipur, for short Learned Court below. Stop para. By the order impugned, endeavour made by the appellant in unison with performer respondent राजकीय बालिका गढ़ विशेषक दत्तक गण एजेंसी बाल अधिकारिता विभाग under section 9, 4 and 5 of the Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act 1956, for short Act of 1956, read with section 41 of the Act of 2000, to adopt a minor girl Preeti proved abortive inasmuch as the learned court below declined her prayer by citing embargo envisaged in clause 2 of section 11 of the Act of 1956 under the caption other conditions for a valid adoption. Stop para. Succinctly stated, the facts of the case are that the appellant is presently working as Joint Director, Pension Department, having her posting at Udaipur. Stop. She made endeavour to adopt minor girl Preeti, and for that purpose she invoked provisions of section 9, 4 and 5 of the Act of 1956, read with section 41 of the Act of 2000, by submitting a joint application before the learned court below. Stop. This effort was made by the appellant seeking declaration for adoption of the minor girl. Stop. Along with her application, appellant also annexed an affidavit claiming inter alia that she moved an application for adopting minor girl Preeti before the co-applicant, which is now a pro forma respondent. Stop. Thank you.